Hello, good day. I invite you to this video presentation on two major diseases affecting pumpkin. My name is Natalia Bascom, and let's get into it. The content of this video includes the objectives, an introduction, the significance of the host crop, which is pumpkin, two major plant diseases affecting pumpkin, 1. Gummy stem blight, 2. Downy mildew, and finally, a brief summary. The objectives of this video presentation is to define what is a plant disease, to discuss the host crop and its importance to the region, identification of two major diseases in pumpkin, going to discuss and examine the symptoms and signs of these diseases, and conclude with control and management of these diseases. Plants make up the majority of the food which humans and animals consume. However, plants also do get sick and exhibit various symptoms. These diseases expressed in plants can reduce the quality and quantity of plant produce. Therefore, the study of plant diseases are important in order to identify the causal organisms and to develop control strategies to increase yield and improve food security. A plant disease can be defined as the state of local or systemic abnormal physiological functioning of a plant, resulting from the continuous prolonged irritation caused by either abiotic or biotic agents. Symptoms of plant diseases can be visible at different plant locations, and signs of plant diseases can be expressed by the morphology of the pathogen. As previously mentioned, we will be discussing two major plant diseases in pumpkin. Pumpkin is a member of the Cucurbitaceae family, which also includes squash, cucumber, watermelon, and cantaloupes. It is significantly grown throughout the subtropical and tropical regions. The most common types are Cucurbita maxia, Cucurbita moschata, and Cucurbita pepo. Pumpkin is high in nutrition and health benefits, such as high levels of beta-carotene, which aids in good eyesight. It has antioxidants, fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. The seeds, flowers, leaves, and flesh are all edible. This vegetable is also versatile in the kitchen. Research has indicated that this crop has tremendous value-added potential. One of the major diseases affecting pumpkin is known as gummy stem blight. Gummy stem blight is a major disease of cucurbits and is often accompanied by leaf spot and black fruit rot. The fungus, Dodymella brynoni, is the causal organism for this disease, which can cause significant production losses when the conditions are favorable for the spread of pathogen. These symptoms can be expressed at all parts of the plant and at all stages of growth. A V-shaped yellowing and browning at the leaf margins can be observed. Early symptoms include yellowing or fluorosis of leaf margins, followed by necrosis. Lesions can be formed on stems that enlarge. Cracking can be formed accompanied by a gummy ooze. Cankers can also be developed on the stem. Black fruiting bodies of the fungus are also visible on infected leaves, stems, and fruits, and serve as confirmation of diagnosis. The fungus Didymella bryneri produces conidia from the asexual stage and also sexual stage, giving rise to ascospores. Control and management of gummy stem blight disease requires, firstly, the use of disease-free planting material. Secondly, long crop rotations are recommended. The frequent applications of fungicides are also implemented to prevent this disease. Good control of leaf and stem infections reduces fruit infections both in the field and in storage. The second disease affecting pumpkin, which we're going to discuss today, is downy mildew. The pathogen known as Pseudoporinospora cubanis primarily cause foliage blights, which attack and spread rapidly in young tender green leaves, twigs, and fruit tissues. They develop and are severe in levels of high humidity. This pathogen can also cause severe loss in short periods of time. The symptoms of downy mildew on pumpkin include an ash color. Mildew growth can be seen on the brown leaf. The upper leaf surface has chlorotic bands occurring to the corresponding on the lower mildew surface. In the latter stages, there can be the observation of leaf drying and defoliation. This pathogen occurs in high dew condition and low night temperatures. Downy mildew oomocytes produce sporangia on sporangiophores that branch in ways distinctive for each oomocyte. The sporangia are located at the tips of the branches. In most downy mildews, sporangia germinate by producing zoospores, or by also producing germ tubes. Control strategies of downy mildew include using resistant varieties and disease-free material. Secondly, application of crop rotation in the field, and also using effective fungicides. In summary, we looked at what are plant diseases, the two major diseases affecting pumpkin in the region, which are one, gummy stem blight and downy mildew. We looked at their symptoms and the signs, and we also examined some control strategies in managing the diseases. Thank you very much for your time.